Right, good evening everybody, and sorry that this is a quick and dirty handheld video, but I am trying out 4K. What can I say? That's the airband receiver built, and it's faulty. They sent me a 16 meg filter for something with a 10.7 meg IF, and also the oscillator chip is a fake and it's not working. So while I'm in dispute with the supplier, that thing's pretty much on hold now. So yeah, we're going to leave that one for a bit, and we're going to go and swing back from the bench and have a look at this instead. So what have we got here? Well, it's an AC/DC set. It's made by Ecko, and I've yet to do anything serious with it. It appears complete, if not in a bit of a bad state. So yeah, what can I say? Oh, it's not plugged in at the moment, so I could try and turn it round. If I've got the space on the bench. Oh, yeah, there's the back panel. The back panel is falling to bits, and the inside, as you can probably see, if I scan you down, doesn't look particularly pretty. So a bit mucky, a bit of a thing. Now you might be wondering why I'm not working on my dad's radio. I had a bit of an accident with it, and it fell from where I'd stored it. The dial glass broke, and it didn't do too well. So after a phone call to my dad, he's not that bothered. He didn't want me to spend any time or money on it. So I thought, right, okay, let's just try something else. And this is the first one I picked off the pile of radios yet to be fixed. Now, I did plug it in. I put it on the dim bulb tester, and it does actually work. But it doesn't play very loud, and certainly the volume and the tone pots are a little bit scratchy. So there is a bit of work to be done, but generally speaking, I'm just going to move you around a bit so that you can see what's going on there. Let me spin it round again and push you at the bench. Sorry for the jerky movements, but as I say, I'm purely handheld at the moment. The reason that this is a quick and dirty video is that I actually haven't had time to do anything proper, and I've got to get to bed fairly early today. It's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning now, and I have a morning hospital appointment 60 miles away. So I'm not going to be able to stay up too late to play with the radios. But it should warm up fairly soon. I say, it should. we're not getting a lot on it at the moment. Let me turn it down a bit. As I say, it is nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. So that's the medium wave band. Let's go to FM. So that's full volume. It should be a lot louder than that. And that's me turning the tone. So yeah, there's obviously an issue there. Now this one goes up to about 103, which is what the broadcast band used to do in the UK. And I'm having to keep a close eye on the time because this camera on the phone has a limit. Right, now we're on long wave. So as you see, it needs a little bit of work. I'm going to turn it off for now. As I say, I'm not going to play with it tonight, but I have had the back off and it does look mucky, as you've seen. And I think this is going to be the next project I work on. With that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. If you want to carry on and see more of this radio, like, subscribe, hit the bell, you'll get the notifications. And hopefully we'll have some decent videos coming out over the next few days once I've got life sorted out. For those of you who do follow the channel, tomorrow I'm at the hospital and Saturday I'm taking youngest daughter to university. So got a fairly busy weekend. I might do a video of the trip down to Surrey from here in Northampton in the UK. On the other hand, would you want to watch me driving for 3 hours and then seeing Surrey? We'll have a look. We'll see what goes on. Anyway, speak to you all soon. Take care and best wishes to all. Bye for now.